Today I am going to show you how to design a search results page. First, let's search and see what search results are available on this website. This is the default WordPress search results page. Now we will design a new search results page using Elementor Page Builder. For this, we need to go to the WordPress dashboard, then hover over the Templates option and click on Theme Builder. Here, you need to find the search results option and click on it. Then, click on Add New. Here, you can create your design in your own style. And I will design it in my own way. Here, I took the archive title. Since only posts will be searched on this website, I placed the archive posts here. If you want to create a search results page for an e-commerce website, then you should place archive products here. Then click on Publish, and carefully check the condition to make sure the search results page option is selected. Now, if we reload the search results page, we will be able to see the new design we created.